Check the 2018 Cruise for remote. Windows down, should be able to do it from the key fob by unlocking it twice and holding it. Doesn't have that. Back and front. Check that out. Over here. Oh, the truck. I got 2 packages in the mail. It's been a while since I've done any unboxing on the channel, but really just 2 packages. Old 1950 scissors. Fishing fever tackle. It's a shirt now. Multiple holes. Second package right here. Bundle amount. Micro 2 APT ATR fuses. Crazy new fuses, all different kinds. Micro 3, Micro 2, mini fuses, standard 1 kind. And vehicles now come with 3 fuse boxes.
I just unbolted these 2 power cords from here. Now if you go into the inside of the truck and you press the brake pedal, no light. And if you press your trailer brakes, no light illuminating.
Vacuum cleaned up the D-Max, put some spray paint down there on the rusty door. Used to look like a musket, now it's actually a full 5-inch pipe. Fuse panel down because I put this temporary mini fuse in when it should be a Micro 2 fuse, and that's why we got those fuses. 2-prong fuse in there because I just want to power stable track and airbags and not OnStar, and that's why it doesn't work anymore. One of the reasons why. I'm gonna get that fuse out. So it's honestly crazy how all this stuff works. The computers power on. As soon as you open the door, the computers start up and boot. Even after you left the vehicle, the computers are still going to be receiving power 6 minutes after. Vehicles have never went through so much voltages of power until now because of all these computers in the car. The 10 right there next to the 2. I'm going to pull this one right here, put it into the top and middle one. After you do that, you can just put your cover back, slide in this part in first, and then you should be able to snap that back into place. Very nice. I'll show you guys today to lubricate your AMPResearch steps. Maintenance you want to do to your steps, especially if you live in an area like I do where we have rough winters, a lot of road salt. Any lubrication that comes with these steps will probably and most likely dry out underneath. You want to make sure you do maintenance, and realistically it's only one, but on the website they say there's no maintenance you need to do. They probably want it to go back, you have to replace it. But if you do this, you're going to prolong the life of your AMPResearch POWERSTEPs or whatever POWERSTEPs you have. Originally the logo was right here, but I repainted over it for a cleaner look, and of course the metal was actually faded out. Well, the product I'm going to use today is the WD-40 Specialist Water Resistant Silicone Lubricant. You don't want to use any kind of WD-40. You want to make sure it's silicone where it's water resistant. Be outside in the rain, snow. Once you have your steps down, spray on all the joints that you can see here. Over here, of course, get inside in there. You want to make all the joints, get the motor. Like I said, it's water resistant. This is going to really last a long time. Very good procedure here. Very easy to do. Prolong the life of your steps. Of course, then you can close the door. Wait for it. There we go. Open them up again, make sure it gets all, and do another layer there. The next thing I'd like to show you guys is this Napa brake. Yeah, turbo diesels have definitely come a long way. They're not loud, they're not obnoxious, they're not smoky anymore, at least from factory. And it's winter time and the saw is on the road, probably disconnect these steps. Go AMPResearch 66. Gotta get plate there so you can make it loud. So I just have to unhook it here, unplug these 2 sides, and then we should be good to go. Painted this intercooler piping right there, gloss black. So I got that taken care of. Same with the research step, and got the exhaust pipe again. America. There we go. We got the Duramax all washed up. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Stare at it all day. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. what's going on, man? I'm gonna be checking the glove box RPO code.
This is not the 2015 and a half because there was a massive amount of changes that they'd made to these trucks in just a half a year. The innovation that's happening with these trucks nowadays, even with the gas ones, if you guys have gas trucks, you have an ambient air temperature sensor in the tow mirror to pull the door off, take the mirror off, take it all apart, and then put the sensor in, put the mirror back together, put the door back on. Gas trucks and the older diesel trucks, they just have the sensor in the grill. It makes sense. There's the Duramax exhaust, hot balls in the back, and I can
15 and a half. They made the new tow mirrors, and these may be GM. 2015 and a half, that's when they started putting the temp sensors in the mirror. Let's try to look for these sensors because, and that's where that temp sensor was, but I'm not seeing it on this mirror at all. If you look at this mirror, it's not going to be behind this. It was literally right here on those mirrors. Oh. Thinking about upgrading to the 2015 and a half tow 500 to 1000 for factory GM. I don't have the turn signal in the mirror. I don't want a flashing red light on my face. I was thinking about pulling these mirrors off, throwing them on the blue truck because these are heated turn signal. Dimensions of the mirror might actually be different, even though they do sell the new style mirrors for always the 90s Silverado. Also thinking about upgrading your mirrors on your 15 and a half up Silverado. You're gonna need new harnesses. Here's the mirrors on my blue Silverado. We're on the Silverado right now. Also not noticing any vibration in the mirror. Fishing spot. They get to this creek from the other side somehow, but it's not that easy. There was a chicken barbecue, but it already passed.
Oh, might as well call her Old Salty for now on. See if we can get these old things open. Oh wow. What's going on, guys? Filming this video a little bit in reverse. I wanted to film the intro here in the beginning outside of the truck. And there's the Silverado. Batteries pulled. This tried and true Silverado 2500 HD 66 LML. It was actually raining bad. It was a cloudy day. The rain was pouring down. It was just small increments of rainforest, rainfall, really loud at the same time with lightning and all that. Things cleared up once the truck came in the focus. The vinegar is crystallizing itself on everything. We have to move that in because I don't have anything to step on.
Guys, we were sitting here in the truck and actually took the boots off. D-Max today here, guys. When I talked to the original owner, C2 Duramax is up on a 1-inch torsion bar crank after that. He said that he wanted to upgrade, and now he has a GMC and all that. He added these leather seats. This is not factory here. It's supposed to be some kind of cloth. Missed this truck. He had it for a while. He bought it brand new. He had it for several years. I could tell that he was genuinely going to miss this truck, and I asked him if there was any issues or any problems. He said no. Yeah, man, he has a new truck now. Business owner, hauled with it, kept the truck very clean. Amazing palm trees everywhere. I love biking around that area as well. And he did the oil changes every time. You're buying at a dealer, usually never talk to the original owner. Passed down generation to generation while the electric cars are driving around it, and no rust at all. It's number one. The vinegar, but it's frozen solid. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to hit that subscribe. I love you. Derek signing off. Trucks 365, lifting trucks, mods to come. Let me know. Comments. Have a nice day. See you later. Batteries are pulled. We got no power here at all. When I talked to the original owner, one owner.